On this episode of Shiny G88's Computer Repair, I show you iOS 26. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you iOS 26. As you can see that I'm on there right now and I'm going to install it. I know the screen is bright white right now. I don't know why that is. So what iOS 26 is basically iOS 19 is basically what they're doing. They're going by the year now instead of 18 or 19 or 20. That's good for bookkeeping purposes and stuff like that. So what this does is it gives you enhanced features and stuff like that. Now, when I did do this update, there was an option to keep iOS 18. But I didn't want to do that, so I did that. Now, I'll probably do a short on this, and I'm going to review the Apple CarPlay feature. I have seen that it does do lyrics to songs, but I don't do that for the lyrics. I do it for the navigation. So, as you can see, I am downloading it here. Sorry about the screen once again. That was a fluke. I did not didn't know what was going to happen. So anyway, so that's why that is like that. So I'm downloading it now, and this did take a while to download, and as you see, it kind of crashed on me before I could fully download it, so I just re-downloaded it again. So that's why that happened. So what happens is when it downloads like any other update. Unfortunately, when it installs, it is the black screen with the Apple logo and the white progress bar, which I do not like. I was hoping it would be more of a graphical user interface type stuff. So anyway, the issues with downloading this before we go any further is one, I've been hearing about the battery life being drained. If you turn everything off and turn off some of the features, your battery life will be okay. I haven't had a problem, but I know people who have. And if you are downloading this to an iPhone 15, please be aware that there are issues with iOS 26 and the iPhone 15 where it's laggy. This is an iPhone 16 I am downloading this to. So, as you can see here, it is downloading. This is going to be a while before it installs. All right, so the update is downloaded and prepared. So this will take a while. This OS install was 11 point, I want to say 59 gigabytes, which is very, very big. So for an iOS operating system. So if you plan on doing this, make sure that you have the space to do it. Otherwise, you'll get a warning label saying that you can't do it. So as you see here, this is being installed. So as you see, the Apple logo shows up. So unfortunately, the installation is not very, very exciting, unfortunately. But I did film it so you could see what is going on. And yes, this does take a while to install. As you see, it is taking a while to install because of how big the file is. This is a brand new operating system, so you do have two choices. Like I stated earlier, you could either keep iOS 18 or go to iOS 26. I chose to go to iOS 26. I like the way that this functions. So what you're going to see is you're going to see some really cool stuff once it's installed. Yes, that's me in the reflection. I'm actually watching TV. I film this late at night, so I'm doing a voiceover on it. And shortly here, it should be loaded. This is really cool how it shows the first boot of the operating system. It's pretty cool. It's not like the other iOSs. Look at that. Isn't that cool? That is super cool. And I'm letting it go through all the languages. That is super cool. Alright, so we go in. There we go. It's going to ask me a few things to set up, such as face recognition and all that. I decided not to set that up. It's giving you all the stuff. Once again, I'm sorry for the screen glare. It'll ask you about Apple Pay. It'll ask you about all sorts of things you want to set up. This gives you a demonstration on how to use the iPhone 16, even though I know how to use it. But according to the phone now, this is basically a new phone, even though it's not. You get new camera stuff. It says welcome. And that is my normal background. There we go. We are. Alright. So I'm going to see if there's any other updates right now. And there wasn't. It says it's up to date. It has a check mark. That's the camera. And we're going to have some features here. I haven't used all the features yet, but there are new features that you can use. There's video, there's slow motion, time lapse, all sorts of camera options you can use. As you can see, I'm just playing around with the camera. And these are all the apps. New wallpaper and stuff like that. You could add your own if you would like, just like on other iOSs. All right. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.